A new product has hit our inventory. Meet the Nice Scrubber sleeves, where durability meets affordability. Each sleeve is available in 6-inch to 30-inch options, so you can tackle any job, big or small. Let's break it down. The Nice Washer sleeve is made from soft microfiber, giving you a streak-free clean without breaking the bank. It's an affordable and practical choice for all window cleaners who need a reliable tool. Next up, the Nice Microfiber sleeve. This one's all about absorbency. Its microfiber design allows this sleeve to retain more water, allowing fewer trips to the bucket. And for those extra tough jobs, we've got the Nice Heavy-Duty Scrubber sleeve. This one's a game changer for dealing with stubborn grime and built-up dirt. It features a dual-sided design. One side is made from soft microfiber for standard cleaning jobs, and on the other side is an abrasive strip for when you need some extra scrubbing power. On top of that, each sleeve has its own abrasive scrubbers on both ends, giving you added scrubbing power when you need it most. And of course, all three fit most standard T-bars, so you can use your favorite one. Get yours today at windowcleaner.com.